people think that, you know what, because we know through the hadith that the shaitan is chained in this month. No. He knows, he's planted enough seeds. He already knows, my brothers. And I'll give you an example. It's a bit late, but I'll give you an example just so you understand. For those who are really serious about this month and they're serious about reading Quran in this month, because we know that this is the month of Quran, really, when did they start reading? Months ago. But shaitan convinced you and I very easily, Yani, that look, I just got to finish off this job, let me finish off this contract, let me get this out of the way, let me clear this out of the way. Watch, cause first day of Ramadan, I'm gonna smash it. So here's what's gonna happen. Tomorrow morning you're gonna wake up pumped, you're feeling the buzz, everyone's talking about Ramadan, you're feeling it. But you haven't read Quran since when? Since last Ramadan. If you read it, then come in. But yeah, since back then. So we're going to sit down, we're going to open up the Quran. Look, wallahi, it's an amazing. Is there a Quran here? Is there one here? No. Taib. Look at the tricks of shaitan. Yeah. This is just incredible. So the brother's going to sit down, he's pumped off his brains, he's going to read Quran, he's going to munch into the pages now. So he's going to open up, look, Allahu Akbar, look at these first pages, aren't they beautiful, man? Look at that. Look at those nice big borders. Look, there's only that little circle there in the middle with a little bit of writing in there. Allahu Akbar, first page of Quran, Allahu Akbar. So obviously he's going to start, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. What's the Surah Al-Fatiha? I know this off by heart, man. I don't even need to look at the page. So he smashes Surah Al-Fatiha, Allahu Akbar, then he goes over to the next page there, nice and look at that beautiful big border. Then he's going to read Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, then he's going to look at that first word and say, what's that? Alif, Lam, Mim. Then we're going to put up a bit of a fight and we're going to get those 5 little, you know, because there's only 5 verses. So we get them out of the way. Then we're going to turn the page and get the biggest shock of your life. Because you're going to turn the page and you're going to go, Ya Allah, where did those big borders go, man? Where did the little writing in the circles go? You think, what? From top to bottom, left to right, bro, that's a full page, man. Then already some of us, we're going to have the shock of our lives. And then if you are like me, I remember back in the days, you start flicking through the pages because we don't know how to use the index very well. So I start flicking through the pages to find the next Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Then I cut the shock of my life because I flicked through 52 pages only to find the next. When I realized that Surah Al-Baqarah is 52 pages long, what happens to you? Honestly. You think, cuz, you know what, this isn't for me, man. I'll listen to it on my phone, inshallah. I'll just put the CD in my car. So you can see already how well shaitan, he's already planted his seeds. He doesn't need to be next to me. He's already turned me off the Quran by keeping me distracted throughout the months approaching to the month of Ramadan. So my brothers and sisters, without dragging it on, this month is very special. Make an effort. Do not waste this month. Wallahi, my brothers and sisters, you being alive to see this month, I promise you, it's a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A few years ago, there was a brother in Villawood. A few years ago, the night before Ramadan, I'm not telling you 2-3 nights or a week, the night before Ramadan, he had a car accident. It was him, his cousin, and a girl in the car. The night before Ramadan, my brothers, Allah Azza wa Jal took his life. Ramadan came so close, but he was so far.